It's an excellent week for Xtreme Trader family, guys. Either you are a YouTube follower or a premium member, you have surely made profit with Xtreme Trader this week. So as you can see, November 7, we have sent out these signals on the premium group, and as you can see, almost all of them have hit the take profit number 1 and 2, except only for one single loss, which means these other signals has instantly recovered any losses happened. Then on Monday, actually Tuesday, it was 100% of profit. Check this out, guys. This was an amazing day, and I'm very happy to see the results. We have made a total of 220 pips so far in just 2 days. And of course, as you can see, this is example here for the USD CHF signal. That was what I call a sniper entry. So surely enough, everyone is happy right now in this service this week so far, and I really, guys, suggest you to give it a try. Try it yourself to believe. I mean, seeing is believing. So again, I'm so glad and I'm very happy, and of course so proud of Angela's work on the premium group. I believe we are actually on the backtrack and we have finally recovered any losses happened. So of course, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today and hopefully we will see you there. Now, speaking of the signals, I'm very happy also and proud about the YouTube signals, my friends. All of them have went in excellent profit except for the USDJPY. As we can see, the EURUSD has reversed immediately as where I have told you to buy, and as we can see, the reversal happened exactly right there. And the EURUSD has went in about 94 pips of profit. I hope you guys have taken this signal and have enjoyed making a lot of profit with our free signals. Anyway, what's next with the EURUSD? So let me, of course, delete the old signal right now. And let me just tell you something. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, it seems to me like the EURUSD is actually gonna make a bearish reversal at the moment. Let me just show you. Right here, my friends, on the daily chart, we are having right here a real level of a resistance exactly right here at 1.00745. So this was the real level of a resistance. Meanwhile, this was a fake breakout, and right here we had another real attempt of a resistance, and this is right here the second attempt of the resistance. So meaning the EURUSD, it seems like it's gonna start now the bearish reversal, and most likely it's gonna retest the broken level of a resistance right here exactly at 0.99784, and I think at that time we can consider buying the EURUSD, but until then we are going to maintain shorting. So meaning moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Check this out. Do you see, guys, this red candle right here? This red candle, I usually trust it a lot. It means actually a bearish reversal. Once you see this candle appeared on the resistance level, it usually indicates for a bearish reversal. And right now we can see clearly that this was right here, the real level of a resistance. As we can see, this was the real level of a resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Actually, actually that is right. And this was here the first attempt after the bearish breakout candle. This was resistance number 1, and right now the market is creating resistance number 2. To be honest with you guys, I was supposed to upload this video earlier than that, but I just woke up. If you can look at the time, it's now 4:40 a.m. and that actually, because you guys means a lot to me, and I really feel like I have to do something here. I have to help everyone here as much as possible to in their trading program, and therefore I had to do something. I mean, as soon as I wake up, and as you can see, I don't know if you can recognize my voice. It's really obvious that I just woke up, maybe. Anyway, guys, I was actually planning to send you the signal to start shorting the EURUSD at the peak of the resistance at 1.00869. However, we can actually short again after some ranging happening right here. Maybe the market will be ranging on this level of a resistance. However, we can see the market has already been ranging. But again, now it's as I have mentioned, it's 4:40 a.m. and right now the market is not really active. There is not much liquidity going on, so therefore there is a chance that the market is actually going to be ranging on this level before it's going to finally make the bearish reversal. So meaning shorting exactly at 1.00869 is going to be ideal, and we can keep the trade running, guys, until it reaches the lowest level of resistance where we have originally started buying the EURUSD. Another way to confirm this, of course, is going to be by using the support trend lines, which I have used here in the last analysis. I'm just going to draw here a support trend line all the way from this lower low to this higher low, and again simply drag it all the way, guys, to this where is it exactly? Right here. Let me just be accurate. Exactly. Perfect. So as you can see right here, this was the support trend line, became a resistance trend line, and then resistance trend line, then support trend line, and a resistance trend line for only one attempt, one single attempt, and then the market has instantly made the bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line. Now we can keep the trade running till the market falls again. First of all, it's going to be revisiting or retesting the support level at 0.99880, and also the support trend line right here is going to be retested again. So meaning that's going to be our take profit level, which means we are aiming about 100 pips of profit, I would say. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the peak of the resistance right here at 1.01517. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the Euro USD. Moving now to the Pound USD. Alright, so for the Pound USD also, guys, check this out. This is really a sniper entry. This was excellent entry, my friends, to start buying the pair. And as you can see, the Pound USD has went in total of 166 pips, and currently 160 pips. Guys, it really means a lot to me. If you can explain to me, or actually inform me, guys, or just write in the comments if you have made a profit with these signals. This was, I believe, excellent work and perfection. Anyway, let's now delete the old signals, and let's see now what we can do with the Pound USD. Now again, for the Pound USD is similar to the Euro USD. Right now, we actually have reached the peak of the resistance right here at 1.16088. So meaning right now, all we can consider is shorting the Pound USD till it reaches the level of the support right here at 1.14057. Which means the Pound USD still has about 127 pips more to go. So until then, we're going to maintain shorting the pair. Moving to the 4-hour time frame. Now again, the same candle has also appeared right here on the 4-hour time frame on the Pound USD. Once we see this candle, guys, it's usually a confirmation to start shorting the pair. However, I want to mark here the real level of a resistance so we can actually start shorting accordingly exactly on that level. Now as we can see right here, this was indeed, my friends, the real level of a resistance. As we can see, the market has respected that level. However, it has also formed a fake breakout right here, and then we can see the first attempt and the second one right here on the resistance, which means we have here resistance number 1 and resistance number 2, and we can most likely actually start shorting the pair exactly right here. Now the rejection has already happened. We already have 2 attempts of the rejection to break out from that level of a resistance. Now what we can do actually is shorting the Pound USD exactly right here at the peak of the candle, the bearish breakout candle, which I'm talking about. And if we analyze it deeper, we can see that this was actually another real attempt of a resistance, and it was actually a real attempt of a resistance right here as well. Of course, this is the fake breakout in the middle, and we can see here another fake breakout, not only once but two attempts, which means right now these attempts are fake attempts for this level at 1.15864, and this was actually the real level of a resistance again. So meaning the Pound USD might actually rise again for about 55 pips before we can start shorting it again. We are facing here, of course, a support level, which might cause a pressure to push the market to rise again, so we can actually sell accordingly. However, once we do that, the take profit level has to be placed exactly right here, my friends, at the lowest level of a support, exactly right here at 1.14263, which means we are actually aiming approximately 155 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the peak of the real level of a resistance right here at 1.16475, which means the safe zone will be ranging for about 63 pips against 160 pips of profit. Moving now to the AUD USD. Alright, so for the AUD USD, guys, it was also another perfect signal. As we can see, the market has almost reversed from there. I mean, just like 3 pips or 4 pips far away from the entry. But however, it went in about 85 pips of profit. I hope you guys have also taken this signal and have made some sweet profits with it. So anyway, what's next with the AUD USD? Actually, very similar to the Euro USD and the Pound USD. We are going to most likely shorting the pair. Now, of course, if we check this level, we can notice right here exactly at 0.65203. This was, my friends, a real level of a resistance. and as you can see, it has been a real level of a resistance for several times as well, actually. And we can see in the middle we had here this fake breakout number 1 and fake breakout number 2, which means shorting the AUD/USD exactly at the peak of the real level of a resistance after it rises for about 23 pips, or actually 20 pips by now, is gonna be ideal in my opinion. I don't think that the AUD/USD is gonna be able to break out from that level instantly. Most likely the market is gonna make a pullback and is going to continue the fall till it reaches the lowest level of a support exactly right there. That is the key level of a support at 0.63856, which means the AUD/USD still has about 132 pips more to go. And of course, my friends, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the lowest level of a previous support at 0.65751, which means this is gonna be the safe zone for our trade. And of course, let me now write the signal for you. Moving now to the USD CAD. Okay guys, USD CAD has almost worked. I mean, the market has reversed like 20 pips far away from the entry, but still it went all the way to the take profit level. So I believe this was one perfect signal. Now what's next with the not perfect signal? How come it hasn't been triggered? But it was actually going in the right direction. So now what's next with the USD CAD? Now if we move to the daily chart, however, we can notice here something actually. Let me just scroll here to the left side actually. Let me just show it to you. Exactly right here. This is what I want to show you right here. So as you can see, my friends, this was a real level of a resistance. As you can see, it was also a real level of a resistance, and it was a real level of a support. 1.33933 is a very strong level for the USD CAD. And it was, of course, a key support level in the past as well. Now, checking what happened later, check this out. The market has reversed exactly on that level. So meaning there is a lot of pressure on this level, and it seems like we can safely buy the USD CAD exactly right on that level. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Now again, the same candle has appeared as well. Of course, guys, if this candle will appear on one pair, one USD pair, you will see it actually in almost all of the other USD pairs. So after the appearance of this candle on a support level, of course, it's vice versa right now. This inverted candle or inverted hammer. It indicates actually for a bullish reversal actually. So meaning we can start buying the USD CAD and keep the trade running till it reaches the highest level of a resistance at 1.35390. So the question is where exactly we can start buying the USD CAD again. The answer lies on the first attempt of the support. So this was the first attempt of the support, and this was right here, the second one. So the exact same level where we can start buying the USD CAD again lies exactly right here, like that. So meaning, if I go now to the 1-hour time frame, oh my goodness, check this out, guys. This was a perfect reversal. The market has immediately reversed exactly on that level. Of course, my eyes wasn't pointing, actually, I wasn't looking there. I was actually looking on the left side to draw the support line in the correct way, and of course, thankfully, the market has respected that analysis and went and reversed exactly on that level. However, now what we can do actually is waiting for the USD CAD to make another reversal. Since it's actually facing here a resistance, it actually might fall again for about 23 pips, and hopefully it does, and then we can start again buying the USD CAD. Once we do that, the take profit level, my friends, is going to be placed exactly right here at the resistance at 1.35404, which means the USD CAD still has about 125 pips more to go. Meanwhile, the edge of the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging lower than this level of a nearest support at 1.33582, which means the safe zone is ranging for about 58 pips against 124 pips of profit. Let's now move to the USD/JPY, which sadly didn't really work, but still ranging inside of the safe zone. I think I'm not going to change anything with the signal. I know it's ranging inside of the safe zone, but in the end, it seems like the USD/JPY, my friends, is respecting this level of support. The market is facing indeed a very strong level, a very strong pressure on that level of a support, and therefore, I really doubt that the USD/JPY is gonna fall below this level of a support. Therefore, I'm gonna keep my word and say that I believe the USD/JPY is gonna make the bullish reversal here. All we need to do is just keep the trade running and don't change it. So therefore, USD/JPY signal remains the same. Moving now to the USD CHF. USD CHF signal was perfect, my friends. As we can see, the market has reversed exactly on that level where I have told you to start shorting the pair, and it actually went in total of actually 80 pips of profit, and currently running in about 48 pips of profit. Guys, it means a lot to me. If you just let me know how do you feel about this signal, and have you taken it and have made some profits, it really means a lot to me. I'm so happy and so proud of these signals. They were actually perfect entries. Anyway, what's next now with the USD CHF? Now, let me just tell you something. There is a problem here. The only problem that we're facing right now is you are actually in 15 minutes of the video and you are yet to hit the like button. Guys, come on! I'm really feeling disappointed with the midweek analysis video. All these signals have went in excellent profit with excellent reversals at the exact points where I told you to start selling or buying, but only 70 likes. Seriously? Are you serious? Are you kidding me? Guys, I get the joke. It's so funny. Guys, come on, seriously. I would really appreciate if you can take some of your time to hit the like button. It really actually means a lot to me. So please, guys, take 2 seconds of your time to hit the like button. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. And I'm sure you hit the like button. Of course, you didn't disappoint me, and you did not just embarrass me waiting you, and you didn't do anything. Thank you so much, guys, and thanks for your efforts. Let's continue. Right now, the USD CHF is actually facing right here a real level of a support, as we can see at 0.98397, and we can see the bullish reversal has already begun. So meaning, if we go now to the daily chart, we can notice here something interesting. If we draw here the support trend line actually from this lower low to this higher low, just like that, all I need to do, my friends, is simply drag the very same level of a resistance trend line here, which I have drawn earlier, and place it anywhere. You will notice that the market has always respected that level. However, if I place it right here, exactly right here, we can see how the market has actually respected this level as a support trend line here and right there, and here as a support trend line. It made a fake breakout as a resistance, and then we can see 1, 2, and right now on the third attempt of respecting that level as a support trend line. If this candle right here, the red candle, let me just zoom in to show it to you. If this red candle right here was actually a strong bearish candle, we would have assumed that the USD CHF is going to continue the fall and breaking out from that level. However, that didn't happen. This was actually a candle that has faced a pressure from the bulls, and as you can see, the next candle is green, which means the most likely that support trend line is going to be respected. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame again. Now, where exactly can we start buying the USD CHF? Again, same like with the USD CAD. The answer lies on the first attempt of the support, exactly right here, which means all I need to do is simply draw here the support trend line just like that. Perfect. So this is actually the right way to draw the support trend line, and as you can see, it is in the middle of these candles. Now let me just move to the 30-minute time frame and check this out. Guys, I swear to God, I did not check this one before recording. This was a perfection. As we can see, the market has reversed exactly on that level. However, it means that we can actually hoping for another pullback where actually the market can fall for another 8 pips. And there exactly, my friends, we can start buying the USD CHF again. And of course, once we do that, the target is going to be right here, the level of a resistance at 0.99257. It's not going to give us a lot of profits, I think. Yeah, just 76 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging lower than this level of a real support right here as 0.98164, which means the safe zone is ranging for about 33 pips against about 77 pips of profit. It's actually, guys, like a scalping signal. And let's now go to the gold. Alright, guys, so before I start analyzing the gold, of course the signal was perfect. As you can see, guys, this was a perfect reversal. Nobody can argue about that. It was actually with almost a zero drawdown and has reversed immediately, as I told you, and went in 338 pips of profit. How cool is that? Guys, again, really let me know if you have made any profits. Actually, there was one comment which said that he have made 222 pounds profit from this signal, and I was really happy. I was jumping on my chair when I read his comment. This is what I want to see. I really appreciate your nice comments, but what I want to see, I want to hear, is someone have made profit with these signals. It means a lot to me. Knowing that you have been able to change someone's life to the best is actually the best feeling that you can get. So again, let me know guys please if you have made any decent profit with this signal, and let's see now what we can do next with the gold. But before that, I wanted to say something here important. Guys, it's not possible for anyone to guess the right direction all the time and every time. It's not gonna happen. Maybe this entire analysis will go wrong. Maybe this entire analysis will go in the opposite direction. Maybe it will fail. I'm not guaranteeing any results at all, guys. I'm doing the best I can. And however, if this analysis has completely failed, we can easily recover with the Friday analysis video. But guys, again, until then, I really hope that no one will judge me if this analysis has failed. Again, we are doing the best we can to analyze the market. So therefore, why I'm making this speech right now, because I know guys, most of you are skipping the videos, and I think most of you guys are actually watching the gold analysis. So anyway, let me just tell you something. Actually, what we can see right here is a very strong level of a resistance for the gold at 1724.56. Now, what's gonna happen next with the gold is it's, in my opinion, gonna continue the fall till it reaches the lowest level of a real support, exactly right here at 1691.22, and from there we can start actually buying the gold. But that's gonna happen after the market fall for about 170 pips. So until then, actually, there is a chance even to go lower than that, and I think this is gonna be the best level to start buying the gold at 1692.03. Eventually, the gold, in my opinion, is going toward that level of a real support, which was previously also a real level of a resistance. As you can see, it was also the nearest resistance to that bullish breakout candle. Now, the thing here is that's going to happen after the market falls for about 258 pips. So until then, I believe we can safely short the gold. Now, the question is where exactly we can start shorting the gold. Check out this, guys. On the 4-hour time frame, this is the candle that I trust really the most. When I see it, I believe that the market is most likely gonna make a bearish reversal, and that is exactly what's happening right now. So meaning we can short the gold as soon as possible. So let me just make it clear for you that we are actually going to start shorting the gold almost right here at 1713.46. The market right now, let me just show it to you on the left side. The gold is actually facing right here and right there a support zone, which means we can actually expect a pullback right here, and we can expect from the gold to rise again to reach our entry after it rises again for about 44 pips, and then we can hopefully short the gold. And again, the take profit level, let me just rise a little bit more to make sure that it's gonna be hit. However, let me just make sure. Yes, the take profit level, guys, is going to be about 274 pips. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the peak of the real level of a resistance at 1725.39. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the USD pairs and for the gold. Guys, please don't forget that tomorrow we are having the core CPI news for the USD pairs, and that can actually cause the whole market to go in a different direction. So again, fundamentals are so important, we cannot ignore them. Make sure, guys, that you are always following the news and following the announcements from the leaders, and of course keep your eyes on the technical analysis as well. So until then, guys, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.